So good morning everyone. So today we are starting our exercise, that is 12.1. So in that first bit, what is first bit? Find the common factor of the given terms in each case. So we have to find the common factors here. So how to find the common factors, we will see. So what is the first one? 8x comma 24. So we have to find the common factors in this. So first you take 8x, after that 24. Okay, so first do the prime factorization of 8 here. So what is the prime factorization of 8? It will be 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So we can write this 8x as 2 into 2 into 2 into only 1x. And now 24 prime factors you take out. 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factors here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So what we want? We want the common factors here. Common factors of 8x and 24 are. So what are the common factors here? 2 is common factor. In both cases you are seeing 2, and in both cases you can see 4. 2 2s are 4, and in both cases you can take 8 also. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what are the common factors here? 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors of 8x and 24. So this is our first one. So second one, 3a comma 21ab. So given 3a comma 21ab, 3a you write here, 21ab here. Okay, so 3 is already a prime number, so we can write 3 into a, and here 21 can be written in the form of prime factors, that is 2 7, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So it will be 3 into 7 into a into b. So what are the common factors here? Common factors are, so here 3 is a common factor and a is a common factor, and if you multiply 3 and a, so 3a is also a common factor. So this is our second one. So next one, what is third one here? 7xy comma 35x power 2y cube. Okay, so here given 7xy 35x power 2y cube. So this is the given question. So we have to find the factors here. So 7xy 35x square y cube. So 7 is already a prime number, x into y, and 35 can be written as 7 into 5. So 7 into 5, 7 is also a prime number, 5 is also a prime number. So x square means we have to write x 2 times, and y cube means we have to multiply y 3 times. Okay, now we have to write the common factors in this. What are the common factors now? 7 is a common factor. X is also a common factor. And if you multiply these two, 7 and x, 7x will also be a common factor. And here y is also a common factor. So if you multiply 7y is also a common factor. So it can be x into y, xy is also a common factor, and 7xy is also a common factor. So these many common factors are there for 7xy and 35x square y cube. So fourth one, 4m square, 6m square, 8m cube. Given 4m square, 6m square, 8m cube. So 4m square can be written in the form of, so what are the factors? 4 can be written as 2 into 2, m into m. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into m into m. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into m into m into m. So what are the common factors here we will see? So common factors is equals to, so 2 is a common factor here. Okay, m is also a common factor. So 2 into m will be 2, m will also be a common factor. Next, one more m is there. So m is also a common factor. So that will be m into m will be m square is one common factor. And we can write 2m square is also a common factor. 2m square is also a common factor. So this is our fourth bit. Next, fifth one. (15p), 20qr, 25rp. So given 15p, 20qr, 25rp. So we have to find common factors for this again. So what will be the common factors? 15p, 20qr, 25rp. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5 into p. 20 can be written as 4 5s are 20, means it will be 2 into 2 into 5 into q into r. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. All are prime numbers. So 25 can be written as 5 into 5 into r into p. Okay. So these are the factors. So what are the common factors here? Common factors are, one is 5 and other is no common factors, only common factor is 5 here. Okay, so next, sixth one, 4x square comma 6xy 8y square x. So what are the common factors we will see? Okay, so what are the common factors here? Write individually now. Four can be written as 2 into 2 into x into x. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into x into y. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into y into x. Okay, so what are the common factors now? Common factors are, one is 2 is common. Next, x is common. So other one will be 2 into x is 2x is also a common factor. So last one now in this bit. So here 12x square y 18xy square given 12x square y and 18xy square. So 12 can be written as, how you can write the 12 value? 12 can be written in the form of 4 into 3, that is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. X square can be written as x into x. Only y is there, so multiply only one y. Okay, so 18 can be written as 9 twos are. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2. 2 3 3s are 9, 9 twos are 18 into x into y into y. Okay, now you take out the common factors. Common factors are here only 2 and 3 is also there. So we will shuffle here. So 3 is one common factor, 2 is another common factor, x is also a common factor, y is also a common factor. So here 3 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, x is a common factor, y is a common factor, as well as you can write it as 3x is also a common factor, 2x is also a common factor. In the same way you can write 3y, 2y, and you can also write it as 3 into x into y, that is 3xy is also a common factor, 2xy is also a common factor. So these many common factors are there for the given question. Okay, so next bit, factorize the following expression. So we have to factorize the expression now. So this is second bit. First one, so what is that? 5x square minus 25xy. So we have to take the common factor from the two terms now. Okay, so in between these two terms you are having comma, you don't have any symbol there. So in between these two you are having minus. So what is the common factors for these two terms we have to find now. Okay, so given 5x square minus 25xy. So in these two, 5 is common. 5 will go in 5 table, 25 will also go in 5 table. So I am taking 5 as common, and in alphabets x and x, one x is common. Okay, so what are the common terms? 5x is common, and 5, what is the remaining term? Only we have taken 5 and x, one more x is remaining here. So I am writing x minus 5, 5s are 25, already one x we have taken it as common. What is the remaining term? That is y. So what is the common factor here? 5x into x minus 5. Y is a common factors for the given terms. Second one is 9a square minus 6ax. So these two numerical values, in which table it will go, we have to check first. Okay, so given 9a square minus 6ax, 9 and 6 will go in 3 tables. So I am taking 3 as common, 1a I am taking it as common. So 3 is 9. From this a square I have taken only 1a, so one more remaining a is there. So 6 2s are 3 2s are 6. A we have taken it as common, so what is the remaining value? X. So this is our factor for 9a square minus 6ax. Okay, so next one. Third one is 7p square plus 49 p cube. Okay, so these two numerical numbers, in which table it will go, we have to check. So 7p square plus 49 p cube. 7 will go in 7 table, as well as 49 will also go in 7 table. So I am taking 7 common, and here p is there, here also p is there, so I am taking one more p here. 7p is common. So what is remaining? 7 already I have taken it as common. In p square only one p I have taken. So one more p will be there here. Plus 7 is 49. P I have taken common. So what is the remaining? That is q. So what is the factors here? The factors are 7p into p plus 7q. Fourth one, 36a square b minus 60a square bc. So 36 and 60 will go in which table? We have to check. So both values will go in 6 table. Okay, and also you can take it as Directly you can take here 6 tens are. So 12 you can take it as common. 36 and 60 will go in 12 table also. So here I am taking 12 as common. So 36 a square b minus 60 a square bc. So in these two numbers will go in 12 table. So 12 is common and a square is common and b is common. Okay. So remaining terms we have to write. 12 3s are 36. No term is common here. Already we have taken everything out. Minus here 12 5s are 60 c. So what is the answer here? 12 a square b into 3 minus 5c is our factorization. So next fifth one, 3a square bc plus 6a b square c plus 9a b c square. Okay, so we have to find the factors for this. Given 3a square bc plus 6ab square c plus 9ab square. So 3, 6 and 9 will go in 3 table. So I am taking 3 as common. Here A. 1a I am taking it as common. 1b I am taking it as common. 1c I am taking it as common. So 3 1s are 3. 1a is remaining. Plus 3 2s are 6. 1b is remaining. 3 3s are 9. 1c is remaining. So this is our factorization for fifth one. So here 6th and 7th you try it as homework. What is 6th one? 4p square plus this one. And last one you try it as homework. So again in next class I will explain you. You can check whether you did correct or wrong. First you try it as homework these two. So remaining problems we will continue in next class. Thank you.